In this video, I'm going to fix the airdrop issue. And the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to make sure that we have our iPhone updated to the newest iOS update, and that is the 18.2.1 update. So please be sure that you have this update installed, because this will in general solve a lot of bugs on your phone. So assuming you have this installed, we are going to click on back. And right now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we have our Wi-Fi activated, that we have our Bluetooth activated, and that we have our AirDrop on. And what we're going to do then is we are going over to our AirDrop settings. So we're going to General. We scroll down where we see AirDrop. And in here, you need to be sure that you have AirDrop to everyone for 10 minutes. This will increase the chance of you being recognized by other devices. And if you're, for example, airdropping to a MacBook or another laptop or computer, then you need to make sure that you are on the same Wi-Fi network on that computer as the Wi-Fi network on your phone. And of course, that you have Bluetooth activated on your computer. So when you have that done, we are going to the next setting. And for that, we're going to click on Settings. And then we are going to scroll down to Screen Time. And from Screen Down, we scroll down again. And here we see Restrictions, Content and Privacy Restrictions. Click on this. And in here, we're going to click on Allowed Apps and Features. And in here, we see AirDrop. And you need to make sure that this is toggled on in this screen, because otherwise AirDrop won't work with any app. So you need to make sure that you have this toggled on. And then there is the last thing that we can do if it still does not work. And for that, we're going back. We're going to click on Settings. And now we are going to General. From General, we are going to, to Transfer or Reset iPhone down below. And in here, we click on Reset. And the last thing you can do, it is actually pretty drastically, it is to reset your network settings. And this will, as it already says, reset all your network settings. So you will lose, for example, every Wi-Fi network that you ever connected to. So this is something you can do when everything does not work and you're willing to reset your network settings. So you're basically willing to take this drastic setting change. So I hope everything works for you now, because I showed you the main ways of how to solve the airdrop issue. If it does, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.